You know, one bait that came out that I really feel like helped round it out a whole lineup of crankbaits is this new shallow money badger. You know, obviously the original money badger was that deep diving crankbait. It got down deep fast, you know, it got 10 plus feet in a lot of the models. You know, it came in those 5 sizes, but it just caught fish. It didn't matter if it was walleye, bass, and really everywhere in between, and just with that wide rolling action. Now we have it in the shallow version, you know, shallow as in that 3 to say 7, 8 foot range. But the first thing you're gonna notice is the more square bill in the front here. And not only square bill, it is a thin circuit board lip. Now that circuit board lip has been around for a while on the bass side. One thing about it is it's very durable. This bait often enough is, you know, ground through the rocks. The square bill does a great job of deflecting. And at the same time, you know, obviously a bait that is deflecting a lot, you want it to track well. Just like the original bunny badger, it has the ballast weights here on the bottom, which really help with having this bait come back to center after it's deflecting. And not only that, it helps with tuning. And this bait tunes and tracks very well at all speeds because of that. You know, just like the original money badger, it has that rattle in there. This has always been a bait that excels well in those murky situations, right? It has a lot of drawing power because this bait has so much roll, and at the same time it has more of that one knock sound than just a bunch of high pitch rattles. And so to me, this bait has kind of fulfilled the lineup of the money badgers, you know, all the way from the deep range, now more into the shallow water. But at the same time as the original money badger, it comes from the baby number 4 all the way up to the 725 like I have here.